Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add contacts to Google Chat Spaces or direct messages. So all you have to do is open the Google Chat on your mobile phone, and you can create a space first. You can tap on this message icon and create space here. So you can use you can type this space, for example, no idea, description, blah blah blah, and then next you can search people that you want to add here. You can add a contact in here. You can skip for now, and this is the space. You can add people or apps in here. Tap it, and here we go. You can add email or another app to join your spaces. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.